Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ron Fallows and today we are doing a follow-up to our videos here at the Bricks. The home we're going to be looking at today is called a Nova, and some key highlights about the property is that it is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a 2-car garage and a gorgeous rooftop terrace. Square footage is also sitting at about 2,100 square feet, and this unit has a starting price point of roughly $700,000. But with that said, let's get this tour started. Hey guys, so for today we're actually going to be starting the tour off here on the second floor, and that's because, well, quick disclaimer, the first floor is actually being occupied by the sales team, so hence why we have no footage. With that said though, walking up the stairs, the first thing you're going to be greeted with is this enormous kitchen. And that's because the Nova has a width of roughly 22 feet, so that's giving you kitchen space of almost 20 feet, which is incredible. Not only that, you have this beautiful large island located right here in the middle that can comfortably sit 4 people. You have stainless steel appliances all throughout the kitchen here. And for all you chefs out there, you have a gas range. That's impressive. Now let's make our way over here to the dining room area and show you how much space it really is. Making our way here to the dining area, we have a 6-top, but you have so much space you can easily fit up to either 8 or 10 people. It also helps because that's more than enough room for you to go ahead and entertain family or friends. Now let's make our way over here to the living room. So moving on to this side of the home, you can see just how much space you really have. And that's perfect because it really gives you that creativity to go ahead and design your living room however you see fit. This concept is also made that much better by the large windows that surround you right here. And you have 10-foot high ceilings, which really adds to the verticality and gives you that open concept that is so inviting, and it gives you the ability to entertain guests that much better. You have a powder room right here for convenience, but let's close this off here for this floor and make our way up to the 3rd floor to show you guys the bedrooms. So now on the 3rd floor, we are here in the primary suite. This room measures at about roughly 14.5 by 13 feet, which is great because you have more than enough room to have a king-sized bed and 2 matching nightstands. You also have a massive walk-in closet just around the corner here, and you have your ensuite bathroom located right here with a stand-up shower. So now in room number 2, we have measurements of about 15.5 by 13 feet. You have your walk-in closet located just behind me, and in the corner you're going to have an ensuite bathroom with a tub. Now let's make our way up to the rooftop terrace and show you guys the best part of this entire home. Now making our way up here to the rooftop, you can see why this is arguably one of the best parts of the entire home, and that's because this kind of verticality isn't something you normally see here in Central Florida. Let's also talk about space. You have so much room up here. You have enough room for a dining area, a lounge area, a fireplace. And all of these units come pre-plumbed and pre-wired, so you can put your outdoor kitchen off here to the corner. Heck, you can even have a hot tub up here. And on the topic of views, you have views of the surrounding community. You have views of the YMCA. You can see Advent Health off to the distance, and you can even see parts of downtown Orlando. With all these perks, you can start to see why the Bricks really is that much of a desirable community. Hey guys, thanks again for joining me today on our tour of the Nova here at the Bricks. And if you've been liking what you're seeing, take a second to hit that like and subscribe button. It goes a long way in helping the channel grow and letting me know more of the videos that you want to see. And if you've been feeling Orlando and you're interested in buying, selling, or investing, feel free to reach out to me. I'm a local agent here in town, and I would love to be your agent of choice. We plan to put more videos out like this weekly. So until then, take care, have a good one, and I will catch you all on the next video.